Good morning.
Good morning, man.
Good to see you.
Yeah, you too, man.
Half awake.
Yeah,
half asleep.
5:30.
You been doing good?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is Chase.
Hi, Chase.
Nice to meet you.
He's your helper, huh?
I drove all the way until we got just before we, I think, pulled off the interstate, and then he started driving through the hills and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah.
The bad part. Yeah, that's a beautiful truck.
Thanks. Yeah, I haven't seen this trailer in a while. We did this. It was an '80 Trans Am. This guy had owned it since new. It was about the time that we started building some of the Burt Reynolds edition Trans Ams. Did John kind of tell you when he dropped the trailer
Yeah,
off?
he said he had it. He bought it new. So
Yeah, and he had checked all over, and he had even reached out to Year One to see if they would help build the car for him, but they were doing different cars for Burt at the time.
Right.
And so, but we were helping build the cars in the shop, so he's like, hey, will you guys, you know, build this car for me, have Mike LaValle do all the custom artwork and stuff on it. So it was pretty fun. We put an LS9 in it.
Yeah, I see it on the back of the trailer.
Yeah. And
Supercharged.
I can't remember if it was an automatic or a manual car. It's been so long.
It's crappy in here, man. Everything's so out of place.
Oh, it's all good. Look at that.
Anything up. When I jacked the thing up there, I had 14. I don't want to put any marks on any of the, you know what I mean, on the frame. Or just
How long did you know about this car before you ended up?
not long.
Not long?
No.
Yeah. Was it last summer?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think it was ever supposed to be a garage. It was a garage door on it, but it was, I have pictures for you. It's on the outside of it. There was no garage door. It was finished on the outside.
Oh, the headliner's still in pretty decent shape, just starting to sag in the rear. Yeah, just a little bit, which I was thinking about that on the way out, that it's pretty typical on these low mileage, you know, survivors when they sit.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it is. Larry from Johnstown, Pennsylvania. How far was that from here?
No, it's a 20-minute drive.
Not very far.
You're right next to Johnstown.
Got it. Yeah, copy of the original title. This is the original inspection form, 3/15/73. Had 29 miles on it when he bought it.
I didn't even see that date.
He got it from Soleil Cadillac Pontiac out of Johnstown. So it's been right here its whole life. That's pretty cool. Original manuals. That's nice.
I never saw those key blanks on the keys either. It's pretty cool. Original dealer key with that. They're whatever still on it.
Oh yeah.
I never saw those before.
Yeah, that is neat. Every once in a while I'll get a car that comes in that still has those.
Second inspection sticker ever on it.
The second one.
Yep. Never drove it.
January 7th.
And but this isn't the year, it's the quarter. So this was supposed to be
76
yeah,
though.
I broke it down how they did it back then.
Was there plates on it when you got it?
Yeah.
You still have those plates? Yeah.
You wanna?
I would love to, yeah. Did you pick up a chin spoiler or did he already have that?
He had that in the trunk.
It's the original plate.
The trunk was.
Yeah, the trunk is very nice.
Even the mat's perfect.
Yeah, it's got the nice full-size spare in it. Trunk mat.
I didn't want to touch anything. Right?
Yeah, so it's still got original plug wires. You can see the
There's that sticker.
yeah, the decal on the front of the valve cover. That's very rarely ever there.
Whatever that means, W, V.
That's basically the 2-letter code for the motor.
I never removed this. I doubt this has ever been off of it.
Yeah, it's probably gonna need carburetor rebuilt and stuff from sitting. But actually, yeah, it's so clean. You can see the date codes perfect on the fender. Did he still have the original battery in it?
I bet you it was sitting on his property, and I asked him because there was a pile of junk, and I saw some batteries
Oh,
there.
yeah.
And I said, do you have the original battery? Here's a cap off of it, though. I left it there. I never... It was one of the original
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
push-in caps.
Off the top. Yeah. Huh.
That thing, somebody said, that thing's perfect. They're always destroyed.
They're really soft.
Horsehair or something.
Yeah.
They are.
Yep.
That one's totally
Real soft
usable.
material, and they normally don't last very long.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love the look of the Firestone Wide Oval Tires. Those look so nice on there. And your Chevelle, is it 71? Yeah.
That thing's filthy. I never covered up from last summer.
This is a very, very pretty car. Did you do a complete restoration on this?
Yeah, it's a frame off.
Yeah.
On a non-rusted 27,000 mile car.
Nice.
Lady ordered it brand new and never drove it in the... She said, I never drove it in the rain.
So did you put... Is that the original block?
Everything's...
Yep.
Yep, everything matches.
Oh, nice.
Everything.
Wow.
Every code's correct. Every piece is correct. That's filthy, though.
Tilt, 4-speed, AM radio.
AM, FM stereo.
Oh, it's AM, FM? Oh, yeah, it is.
Deluxe seat belts. She ordered that NK4 steering wheel. That was super rare.
Yeah, I was going to say, you don't see that very often on these
Yeah,
cars.
Everybody always has the SS emblem in the middle. That's wrong. That's the correct one.
Oh, wow.
That's
Nice.
what everybody else has. They put this on there from the Nova. He ordered a Super Duty and he waited and it came in, and when he went down there, he said it's supposed to say SD, and they said we couldn't get it.
Oh. Because they were hard to get cars.
Yeah.
So
that's what came as the 455. And he said he was reluctant to take it, but he took it. Could you imagine if it was a
SD.
1,000-mile SD? And whoever undercoated it, that guy, he was, jeez, oh man, he was there forever.
He got a little carried away.
He didn't want anything coming back saying it was rusty because he coated perfect.
Yeah.
Which, back then it was good, but now when you clean it off,
Yeah, you can tell. I mean, you can see got a little bit up in here, but a lot of times they'll go clear up here on these inner fenders and stuff like that too. But this is mostly just age and stuff on it.
Well, it's I think most of it's like drier because it was in his laundry room.
Right.
This thing was covered with like a fine mist of dryer.
Like lint.
Yeah. And if you just went like that, it came right off. You know what I mean? But it was like coated.
That's so funny.
Hey, the original plug wires and everything. And you have to look inside the engine. Check this out.
Did he? Oh, wow.
Shine your light in there. It is brand new. It's all, here, stand here and look. It's all perfect gray. Like it's never been, it's not, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's very clean.
The black bolts are still perfectly black.
I see that. Oh, yeah.
I mean, it's not even.
Nice.
He must have changed it and never started again.
Could he remember the last time he started it?
No, his daughter, she said, I remember very early. She said, I think I rode in it once. The original headlights. It's cool.
Yep.
That piece that he knocked off at her, I know he rolled over something that's in the trunk.
I saw that. Yeah, those chin spoilers, they always...
I think he was so upset after he did that, and that might be part of the reason he never drove it again.
Right. Okay. All right. Is it warming up outside, Chase? You doing? Yep, you're looking good. Now straighten it back up. Usually after the first 1 or 2 times, it's usually fine. It shouldn't move anymore. Did he say much about when he parked it?
No, he was a man of very few words.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Very reclusive.
Was it hard for him to let it go?
I just think it sat there for so long. He was like,
He was ready.
it was waiting. You know what I mean? It was just sitting there.
But you had his daughter help you, right?
Yeah, and she was there in town helping him because he was, not great. I guess it just got to a point where it was like, it's time.
But Tony, been a pleasure.
Been talking to you for a while.
I know.
I'm a little sad. I don't ever get to see you again.
Well, if you're ever in Nebraska, of course you're welcome to come in the shop and
I'd
stuff
like to
like
see
that.
your shop.
I'll have the guys send some swag out for you and your son.
Right.
Your son probably a double X?
He's an extra large kid.
He's extra large? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So
Yeah.
we'll get a couple of shirts coming out your guys'
Thank
way. And then I'll definitely send you some posters or pictures of the car and some updates as we progress with it.
I'd like to see it. I want to see it look its best.
Oh, yeah.
And I know you'll do that.
Yep. Well, now you get to go get a new Corvette.
Yeah.
That's exciting.
Yeah, it is exciting.
It's very exciting.
Yeah, it is.
Everything I've heard, those mid-engine cars are a lot of fun to drive. I haven't driven one yet.
No?
Nope. I've been trying to get a Z06
I haven't driven one
and
either
stuff,
yet.
but don't have one yet. And,
Yeah.
But they would be fun to. I want to drive one here soon.
Yeah, I read about it. I think it's pretty incredible.
Everybody says they're
They're not a Corvette anymore.
a totally different car.
Right.
So
All right. Man, this stinks.
send me some pictures when you get the Corvette home too.
All right.
Yeah, we'll keep in touch.
All right, buddy. I appreciate that.
All right, buddy. Sounds good.
Thanks, Dave.
You bet.
Appreciate it, man.
All right. Thanks, Tony.
Yes, sir.
All right, we're back. 36-hour round trip to Pennsylvania to pick up a pretty cool find. '73, one owner Trans Am. That was parked since 1975. We got to get it in the shop, get all the fluids changed, get the system primed, work on see if we can get this thing to run again, and then we'll work on getting it cleaned up and ready for everybody to see. So stay tuned. RestoreMuscleCar.com. Like, share, tag. Yeah, give me a little bit more slack, please.